So you're a trucker out there wanting to learn some strategies on how to lose weight fast? Well, stick around. Hi, welcome to the channel. My name is Colton and you're watching Trucking Inspired. And here on this channel, we have a vision to help change the modern trucker, help get you back to a mental and physical state of well-being. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. What is going on? Welcome to the video today, guys. And today we're talking about 5 easy ways for you to lose weight fast as a trucker or as a regular person. But if we think about it, truckers are in the 2 highest percentages of people to die because of the nature of the job. The job being, A, we are in traffic, we're on highways, we're overexposed. And that is the highest frequency of death rate here in the United States is by highway fatalities. And number 2 is a sedentary lifestyle, which can compose to can contribute to weight loss, obesity, which can contribute to all kinds of other metabolic issues that can put you in an early grave. So today, like I said, we're offering some tips to hopefully keep you healthy out there on the road. Let's get into it. Number 1, stretching. Stretching is a great way to start off the morning, and there are many health benefits regarding stretching. And here we're going to go into a few of the basics. Number 1, stretching can increase blood flow, which will improve your mobility while decreasing your risk of stroke. So those are some of the big ones there, and obviously there's a lot of issues with truckers with mobility issues. If you cannot find a trucker who can't tell you about a bad back or a bad elbow or a bad knee, they're all very common issues here in the trucking industry. So you need to get up, you need to be stretching before you start work, and if you can, during work, and find other ways to provide yourself with a scenario where you can get more stretching in so you do not get hurt. It helps rebound faster. And here we're gonna actually show you a couple quick stretches that you can actually do every morning to start your shift off right here. So this next one's actually going to work out your lower back, and what you're going to do is you're just going to do reach for the floor, and you're going to come down for 3 seconds, keep your head down, and come back up nice and slow, and you want to do that 10 times. That's going to help stretch out your lower back throughout the day. And these should be done before you actually start getting up and working out or moving throughout the day. You should be doing these first thing in the morning once you get up. First we're going to do is actually going to work out your chest and your arms, and you're going to want to do these windmill type motions. Do 10 one way, and you're gonna do 10 another way. And that's gonna help open up your chest and your arms. Okay, so this next one here is gonna be called the neck roll. It's actually gonna be working out your spine, your neck, and your shoulders. And you're gonna be wanting to do it 10 one way, 10 the other way. Try to keep your head and your shoulders down so you get a good smooth rotation, and yeah, that's it. It's okay if you hear cracking, she said. Oh, and a pro tip is that if you're able to stretch while during your shift, stretching can actually lead to more alertness and being more attentive behind the wheel, which will make you a better truck driver. Number 2, bring your own water jugs. I don't think I have to go into great detail on how important it is to consume a regular amount of water every single day. And while it may seem like a small thing, water helps hydrate all the organs that metabolize your food and digestion, and is also very filling. So, and of course, it's going to help you drop the weight and keep it off. So make sure you bring your own water, and here is the water I bring every single day. These right here are the 2 water bottles that I personally carry. One is a 40-ounce plastic flip top lid. Love that. The other one I carry is a 64-ounce. I don't know if you can see. So number 3 here is bring your own lunch. Bringing your own lunch is probably gonna have the biggest impact by far as weight loss goes on your everyday health. So bringing your own high-filling, low-calorie, balanced meal is going to help satiate your hunger as well as provide you with great nutrition throughout the day. And in doing so, you're gonna be able to not fall for those tempting treats when you're in those truck stops or gas stations making your runs. So make sure you're bringing your own lunch. And here I'm providing an example of a very common lunch for me, which is gonna be a tuna salad, as well as with some pork rinds and watermelon. This is a great lunch. This is a go-to for mine as well. It is light on your stomach, but filling, and as well as light on the wallet. So this, and we're gonna compare that to one of the most commonly bought fast food items here, which is the Quarter Pounder from McDonald's. All right, number 4 on the list here is going to be move with purpose. Hope I didn't make you a bit dizzy there. So this one's not only going to apply to truckers, but anybody who is working from a seated position most of the day. This is going to really help you out. But us local truck drivers will probably be able to take advantage of this more than you OTR guys out there. But hopefully you can also implement this in your driving style as well. So when your truck's being loaded or unloaded, or you're at the fuel island or whatever, and you get the chance to just sit there and play on your phone and watch TikTok videos, don't. Get out, walk around, do some push-ups, go back to the stretching, do some move with a purpose. Move with purpose so that you get these opportunities that allow you to move for 10 to 15 minutes in a consistent manner. Is going to be so much more beneficial than you just sitting in the cab playing on your phone watching TikTok videos all day. So get out and for sure get moving. Move with a purpose. All right, before we get to the fifth one here, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. And if you're getting any value out of this video, be sure to hit the like button and let me know in the comments what you guys think. Like I said, we're going to be breaking these videos down into more detail coming up. Each week we have a new post here, and I'm posting daily videos also, so stick around for that. But number 5 here, and the last one here, probably the most important, is going to be sleep. And being able to get a full night of good rest is definitely going to be beneficial, especially if you can get in a rhythm, especially if you can get into a good sleep rhythm where every night you're providing the same amount of sleep for your body to rest and recover, going to bed at the same time, waking up at the same time. These are all things that's going to benefit you in the long run. But most importantly, sleep is going to help tie all the other tips we have said in this video together. Sleep also helps you manage your stress, your hunger, your energy levels. They keep those at a pretty healthy state, which is going to help you stay motivated and to keep making better decisions on your weight loss journey here. So that's it for today, guys, and those are the 5 things I think that you could do starting today, starting right now, to help you get on your weight loss journey for the future. But let me know in the comments of what you guys thought, if you liked it, didn't like it, if I left some stuff off, or if I needed to expand on some other things. Like I said, we are going to be doing full video breakdowns and going into more detail here on each of these things to help you lose weight faster here as a trucker. So until next time, I'll see you guys later, and keep on trucking. Could I cut watermelon on top of it?
Why did you put it in the laundry room?
Where'd you want me to put it?
There was watermelon wrapped up inside of it. Whole watermelon.
No, there was not.
There's watermelon chunks in the washing machine.
Okay. Number 5 on the list is stay single for as long as you can. It's going to provide you with so much more happiness.